Welcome back. You're still tuned into Power Breakfast here on CNBC-TV18. And the important news that came through for our own markets is that the government has accepted the Kirit Parikh panel's recommendations on gas pricing. So Sonal is here to tell us more about that. Sonal.
Good morning. Well, thank you so much for that. It's a big update that has come by, and finally the government has accepted the recommendations made by the Kirit Parikh Committee as far as gas pricing is concerned. Now, APM gas prices, they will be announced every month versus the 6-month period earlier. Prices will be pegged at 10% of international price of Indian crude basket versus the formula-based pricing that was decided earlier. Also, there is a floor to the gas pricing at $4 and a ceiling at $6.50 per MMBTU. Additionally, the ceiling of $6.50 will be maintained for FY24 and FY25, after which they will see a hike of $0.25 per MMBTU every year. Also, gas from non-nomination blocks, they will be priced at 20% premium to APM pricing, and there's no pricing change in formula for difficult fields and any LP fields as well, like KG Day-6 Basin. Now, what is the impact? Of course, it has come as a big positive for city gas distribution companies, which are the consumers of this gas. The volumes from domestic PNG and CNG segment from MGL at 87%, for IGL at 80%, for Gujarat Gas, it is a smaller number at 36%. On the back of this big price cut that has come by, IGL has cut prices, Mahanagar has cut prices both in CNG and PNG segment. We have Gujarat Gas as well, which has gone ahead and cut CNG prices by 6.25 rupees per kg. And on the back of all this action that we've seen in the gas prices, we have positive brokerage views on all these city gas distribution companies. Jeffrey says that IGL, MGL and GAIL are key beneficiaries. They've upgraded IGL's EBITDA by 20 and 10%, revised the target price to 540. Even for MGL, they have increased the EBITDA by 19 and 16%, and they have a target price of 1100 rupees per share. They've also upgraded Gujarat Gas, even though it has a lower exposure. They have increased the EBITDA by 6 and 8%. For ONGC and Oil India, of course, it's a short-term negative, but in the overall scheme of things, a floor is positive for gas producers. But IIFL says that realizations will be hit by 24% for FY24, and for GAIL, IIFL says that it is a gain in the LPG segment since gas is raw material there, and it will lead to a 3% increase in the FY24 PAT. So yes, the beneficiaries are GAIL and city gas distribution companies at short-term negative for these gas producers.
All right, Sonal, thanks a lot for taking us through all of those details there. This is going to be the big space to track today as well in terms of stock-specific action, so watch for that. But another important story